So this is the installation part. So don't forget to put this on. So right there. There you go. Now let's put it. It's a different color, but I think it's gonna fit. All right, let's put this on. So, okay. Weeps. Nice. Perfect. All right, but make sure to connect the wire in here. Okay, this one, right? This one, this. So connect it first. All right, let's put it on. Nice, nice. All right, start over here. Let's move it closer. Start over here. Now, what else? So I think we can put those things in here, right here. Now let's put one more number 10 right there. So see that hole right there? So let's put this on. Alright, so let's put it on. See that? Untie it first, and let's get our cordless. Perfect. So now the bolt is in. So now that's it. It's pretty much in. So I'm just gonna push this one. There you go. Plastic. Now let's again use this one. Anyway, this is stretchable. Let's put this over here so that we can put this plastic cover, right? So I got two in there. It's gonna be tight. Over here. Oh, you know what? Just remove that. Go. That's it. Okay, so one more bolt in here. And then one more bolt inside. Wow, it's so tight now. So one more bolt inside. right here. There you go. All right. Now let's put this on. So I need fastener. Fastener. There you go. And a few more here. There you go. Over here. Nice. And in here. Perfect. And then underneath. Here. So also underneath here. Go. Go. Now another bolt in here. Over here. There you go. And one on over here. So also one over here. Right here. Like that. Perfect. Woohoo! All right, that's it. That's how you install a fender for this 2014 Mitsubishi Lancer. So a few bolts in here, over there, and then fastener underneath, and that's it. It's a different color, but oh well, it's okay. I'm just gonna paint this one. That's it. Done. This one, just put it in here. Put it back. There you go. This one too. Nice.